Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, what is going on? Let's update the threats for severe weather for tonight and on Monday. We are tracking two weather systems. One is a curl there in Colorado moving up into the northern plains. That's responsible for the thunderstorms coming in tonight. There's another piece of energy in Idaho and Utah that's dropping south. It's going to go into the southwest and then come out tomorrow. That's going to be responsible for the threat of severe weather tomorrow. So let's go through this. Tomorrow we are in a level 3 of 5 risk with all forms of severe weather possible, and you can see we're right in the middle of it. Now, it is not set yet, as we were talking about yesterday. Here is the setup for tomorrow. When you look at the setup and you're a meteorologist and you know what time of year it is, you have a low pressure area, Nebraska, cold front, warm front, dry line. There's a triple point up there. That usually means severe weather along the warm front and along the dry line. Cold front is in the drier air because that's the hotter, drier air, so it doesn't really produce any thunderstorms until it catches up with the dry line and merges into the moist, and merges with the dry line and is in contact with the warm, moist air. So we're in the warm sector. That's where the severe weather would be possible. Along the warm front and the dry line, it would move east. However, there may be thunderstorms ongoing in the warm sector. So tonight we're getting thunderstorms with the warm front. And if thunderstorms continue on the warm front and new ones form earlier in the day, it won't be as warm. And if it's not as warm, then that lowers the instability, which lowers the threat of severe weather. Now, it would mainly have an impact on the tornado threat if it is not as warm. But we'll have to watch this closely, because how many thunderstorms will there be tomorrow between the dry line and warm front earlier in the day? As you can see, we're going 79 here, but look at Chanute, it's 66 with thunderstorms during the afternoon. And you can see it's kind of a patchwork of warmth. If there's just a few thunderstorms, it's going to be warmer. If it's not, then if there's more clouds and rain and thunderstorms during the morning and early afternoon tomorrow, then we may avoid the worst. And if we avoid the worst, we still could get a lot of thunderstorms and still could see hail and damaging winds. So enough talking. Let's take a look at this Powercast tonight at 10 o'clock. This is the first round. These are mainly rain and thunderstorms. The severe thunderstorms are down there in south central Kansas, those white dots. And as we go through time here, tonight temperatures will be in the upper 60s, low 70s, and it kind of moves off. And some of these thunderstorms could have hail. They could have damaging wind gusts, but the threat is lower tonight. Then by tomorrow morning, there's just a few showers. But look what happens around noon or so. Here comes new thunderstorms coming in. Now at noon, there they are, and they zip through. If they just zip through, it'll give us an opportunity to warm up to around 80, so that opens up the door for severe weather. If there's several rounds of thunderstorms, it may not get this warm. And so as we watch this here, look what happens around 5, 6 p.m. Thunderstorms from Kansas City off to the east. If it's warmer, those could be quite severe. If not, then they will be lower. If it's cooler, they'll be lower and severe. Temperatures here by 7 p.m. are in the upper 60s to low 70s. Here comes the final round we have to deal with. See this line forming to our west? Well, once again, not many thunderstorms during the afternoon or early evening or in the morning. This line could be quite severe. Otherwise, if it's in the low 60s when it comes through and drops to low 60s, that line will be some beneficial rain, maybe some hail and damaging wind gusts in some spots, but it won't be as bad. So we're just going to have to watch this. And that moves out. Then there's one final area Tuesday morning. That won't be severe regardless. Temperatures in the 50s and rain and thunderstorms. I guess you could have some small hail with that as it goes by. And then the storm is out of here. What about what we really need? Just rain. We just want rain. We don't need all the severe weather and extracurricular activities with it. This kind of tells the story. Some areas will see a 1/10 to a 1/2 inch, like you see that is painted around Lawrence. Other areas could see 2 to 4 inches of rain. And that means that it really depends on how thunderstorms set up. On this data, it has the least from Ottawa and Garnett to Olathe, all the way up to around Kearney or so, and then up towards Excelsior Springs. That would be the lower zone towards Carrollton. And then 1 to 2, maybe even some spots could see 2 to 4 inches of rain to our northwest, and it's got the heaviest where rain isn't really needed. Warrensburg, Sedalia down to Butler, 4 to 7 inches of rain possible. The way it is displayed, with some areas not getting much, other areas getting quite a bit, That is likely. The location of where the low and the higher amounts are on this map are completely up for grabs, because it just depends on where the thunderstorms set up. We know there's going to be thunderstorms. We just don't know where the heaviest are going to set up, and that could be just about anywhere. That area that has the lightest amount of rain, that could end up being the heaviest. So we shall see. Hopefully this is right for northwest Missouri, because they are the driest. They really do need the rain. And you can see here on a widespread basis, you can see the heaviest basically in areas that don't need it there. Springfield to Cape Girardeau and southeast Kansas, and that goes up there towards Warrensburg and Sedalia. But if we get a little 1 to 2 inches of rain even in northwest Missouri, that would be great. Remember, May on average is the wettest month of the year. We average 1.3 inches of rain per week. So let's go through the forecast here. Tonight, down to 60 to 65, periods of rain and thunderstorms after about 7 or 8 p.m. And thunderstorms may contain hail and some 50 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts, and so we could see some strong storms. Tomorrow, periods of thunderstorms could be severe, especially during the afternoon. All forms of severe weather are possible. 75 to 82. That's going to make a big difference if it's 75 or 82, as we talked about. Monday night, low 55 to 60, but that comes by morning. More periods of thunderstorms, possibly severe. The best chances before midnight for severe weather. So when we kind of sum it up here, tonight, 7 p.m. to 4 a.m., periods of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms could have some large hail and strong wind gusts. And then on Monday and Monday night afternoon and night, before midnight, main threats could be all of them. And if it's cooler, we can avoid the tornado threat, which would be nice. Now, flooding is a possibility in some spots, and flooding kills more people per year than tornadoes and lightning combined. 6 inches of flowing water can float an SUV. Turn around. Don't drown. It is that simple. And we look at the Super 10-day forecast. How about Memorial Day weekend? Well, on Memorial Day weekend, we are looking at a possibly wet weekend. And Memorial Day weekend, on average, is the wettest weekend of the year. Very hard to keep it dry. Hopefully, these are not all-day rain events, but we'll have to see how that evolves. And between this storm and then, some decent weather Wednesday, Thursday, into Friday. Have a great night. Stay with KSHB 41. We'll keep you advised. Stay healthy.